Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're making key lime pie in the Ninja Foodi blender. That is right, it is a no-bake key lime pie. So all it is adding the ingredients to the Ninja Foodi blender, and I'll go over that with you guys, and putting it in the refrigerator. It really is that simple, you guys. It is awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, but before we do, be sure to hit that like button. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more Ninja Foodi blender recipes. And if you're interested in any of the items that I used today, I will leave the links in the description. But let's go ahead and dive right into this key lime pie. Okay, so all you're going to need today is one 14-ounce sweetened condensed milk. And then also you're going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese, softened. It needs to be softened. And then also you're going to need a half cup of fresh lime juice. You're also going to need 1 tablespoon of lime zest, which was just about 1 lime. And if you're asking what the zest is, all it is just grating the green off of the lime. Just the green. You don't want too much of the white because the white is the bitter part. So I would just focus on the green itself. But it was about 1. I just kind of did little spots with a little limes or a little zester here. Then you're also going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pre-made crust. Okay? So once you have all of that together, you're going to place, we'll go ahead and get our blender. I want to adjust the camera. Okay, so you guys can see me putting that in there. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and let me get a spoon. Okay. Oh, wrong spoon. I grabbed my kid's spoon, guys. Alright, you're gonna go ahead and place the condensed milk first. Make sure you get it all out. Okay. Alright. After you have that, you're going to do your, let's see, cream cheese. Okay, let me get my spoon from my condensed milk. I'm going to get your cream cheese. I just cut it into little pieces so that it wouldn't take as long to soften, but you won't have to if you don't want to. Then your lime juice, which is half a cup, and I'll have all of that in the description as well. Then you're also going to want to take your lime zest, put that in there, and your vanilla extract. Okay, once you have that, we're going to go ahead and close the lid. Okay, after we close the lid, what we're going to want to do is blend on high and run for 60 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and turn on the blender. We're going to do blend and high for 60 seconds. Okay, so now the cycle is done. Now, there are some there's some lime zest on the sides. So I have this, it's basically for cakes, for spreading the frosting. And it's silicone, and I like it because it can reach all into the blender. You're just going to want to scrape the sides. And just run a quick cycle. Make sure you scrape all the sides. Okay. Okay. And then close it. Okay, I'm just gonna pulse it for a little bit, for about 10 seconds. Oh. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get our pie crust and we will pour it in. Okay, now that we have our pie crust, this is just a regular graham cracker crust. You can make your own or you can buy a pre-made. I did pre-made because, again, this is just a no-bake, easy, convenient pie that we can make. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and scrape that down. Okay, and you might hear my kids in the background. Okay, and just pour that all out into the crust. Okay, I want to make sure I get it all out. Okay. Oh, spilling there. Okay. Now, to even it out, you kind of tap, get all the bubbles out. Be careful because you might do that, so maybe just shaking here. I'm gonna have to clean off the bottom of my pie. I just want it to set also that I don't have those marks when it sets in the fridge. Okay, see, we're having bubbles there. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and place the pie in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours until it's well set. Okay guys, before I put it in the fridge, I did want to show you guys, I got the ready crust graham cracker crust, and all I did was open the lip, and I'm gonna flip it upside down so that I can put it in the fridge and not worry about it getting squished or anything happening to it. That's kind of like a little nifty trick that you can do. Alright, I'll put it in the fridge and we'll be back. Okay guys, so now we have our set cheese or key lime pie. So now all that's left is to garnish. Now I already went ahead and I cut the limes. I used 1 lime and I cut them with this, I believe it's a mandolin slicer. I will get the exact name in the description, so I could have perfectly sliced limes to garnish it. Now, I didn't get all my bubbles out, as you can see, but if you were to tap it a little bit longer, you could get it to settle. So, just to make it look pretty, I'm going to go ahead and line it like this. And I'll go around with whipped cream as well. Let's see. Oh, it's not so pretty. Okay. Okay, and there you have it. Our key lime pie. I will show you up close. Is ready to go. And that's how simple it is in the Ninja Foodi blender. You guys be sure to hit that like button, be sure to hit that subscribe button, because I will be having new videos with new Ninja Foodi blender recipes all the time. We're going to be uploading all year long. 2020 is going to be a good year for the Ninja Foodi blender and recipes on my channel. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, and you guys have a great night.